Hi guys, I have another healthy makeup product review for you today. Right now on my skin I have 100% Deluvia products, or also known as Demure products. So I have the foundation, the blush, lipstick, lip liner, I have eyeshadows, and I also use the eyeliner in my brow and on my eyeliner. The only thing I don't have on that is Deluvia is mascara. So you can see how well these products look. So today I'm going to do a product review on three of their products actually. We're going to talk about the eyeshadows. So these eyeshadows are amazing. They have a lot of pigment in them. And there's a couple things that I like about these over some other products that I've used. So I bought a lot of mineral products on the internet, and as you know, a lot of them are loose. They come in the little containers here. So this is one of my favorite products is the Dusty Rose. That's what this one's called. It's like a pinkish brown, not too dark. I love to put that on. You can even put that on your lid and all over your eye, and then you can add something darker like the Chocolate Rose to the corners of your eyes and right into like the sweep here into the crease. That's usually what I do. On my eyes right now I have the top, or taupe, however you say that. I have that all over the eye. Then I took the Dusty Rose. I put a little bit into the on the lid and all the way sweep the whole crease with Dusty Rose, and then I just popped a little bit of the Chocolate Rose on the outsides here. So the thing with these is they're super pigmented. They last a long time, and you just have to really you put your brush in. I don't have my brush with me here. We'll pretend this is a brush. So you stick your brush in there and then you tap it really well to get the stuff off of it, and then you put it on. One of my favorite things about these eyeshadows compared to other mineral eyeshadows is that they don't dust your face as much as others. Sometimes I get no dusting, which is great. So a lot of times when I've used other loose shadows, they fall down on your face and you're using a dark shadow that causes a problem. If that happens to you, you take yourself a light brush like this is a really fluffy brush, and you don't push. You just sweep it up very lightly, and that will get it off of your face. But you want to sweep it up and away from your eyes. You could use a blow dryer, I guess, on it. That could work too. But don't rub it and don't use a Q-tip on it, because it's just going to push it right into your skin. If you do it right away, this will take it off. So that's the eyeshadows. I have tried a dozen of their eyeshadows. They're all beautiful. The shades are very rich. They look very similar to what they do on the website, and they also put a description on the shades, so it makes it very easy to buy on the internet. They're all non-toxic. I checked everything out on the EWG site, so you're totally safe. And as you know, what you put on your skin goes right into your body. So for day-to-day makeup, I always wear natural makeup. I don't wear any chemicals on my face ever. If I have to do a photo shoot, or I'm going to go on a movie set where I need my makeup to last a long time and look really good on camera, I will buy makeup specifically for camera. But I don't wear that every day, ever, 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 ever. I always wear natural makeup on my face, because your body absorbs all of that stuff that goes onto your skin. It doesn't just blow away in the air. It does go into your bloodstream, and it can really cause a lot of problems. The United States does not have a lot of regulations on their cosmetics, so we have so many toxins in Sephora. I mean, I love going to Sephora, but honestly, their products are highly, highly toxic. So it's good to start researching and finding something like these to use on your skin. So the next thing I'm going to talk about, that's all I'm going to do on my lecture for healthy cosmetics, is I have their lipstick on it. Oh my God, what shade is this? 670. I don't know the name of it, but this lipstick is awesome. It's super pigmented. It's a beautiful shade. I don't know if you can see that really well. It's a little dark for me, but it's still really pretty. I usually go a little lighter than this, but it's a beautiful, beautiful shade. I'm pretty fair skinned, so it lasts a long time. It kind of stains your lips a little bit, and it lasts a long time. So I was super happy with their lipstick. I'm looking forward to trying more of the colors. It's moisturizing. It doesn't dry my lips out. My lips are pretty dry, and right now I'm in Georgia and it's dry here in the winter. So I can wear this and it doesn't dry my lips out. So I was pretty happy with that. This is my favorite lip liner. This is Dusty Rose. I love their names. Dusty Rose, which matches my Dusty Rose eyeshadow. And if you saw my other video reviews, there's another blush, which is some kind of a satin rose. So this is like a pink mauve. It's a little pinker than mauve. It's lighter in color. It's perfect for every day. You know, and what you put on your lips definitely gets into your mouth and into your bloodstream. So try to always go with non-toxic lipsticks and lip liners because you eat that stuff. I mean, it goes away and it melts away right into your mouth. So these are a couple of the products. You can check out their website. I'll put it up on the screen. Go there, check out their descriptions. Non-toxic. I've used a lot of different products and a lot of natural lipsticks dry your lips out. They don't last. The color is very weak, but their colors are strong, highly pigmented, and they last a long time.